Hey, Steve Hirsch here, Kender's Outdoors. Right now we're fishing storm front conditions. We are in the front. We hammered them pretty good this morning, and right now we're midday. Just got the cameras out. It was so windy earlier, it wouldn't have been worth it. So we started out with a 5 catching fish on a 5 long shank baby bass color with grubs, gulp minnows, panfish plastics, and right now I downsized to a canoe jig, and I think it's a 4 millimeter with a number 10 hook on it and a panfish plastics chigger fry. And I was able to capitalize on a really nice crappie. Right now the bite is a little bit tough, but yeah. Extreme snowstorm up here in the Northland. We've gotten about 6-7 inches already today, but man, sometimes these conditions give you rare opportunities that you can capitalize on one heck of a bite. Here we go. Oh, and I missed. Unreal. Here we go. Oh, there we go. I'm on. Fresh little area, you know. These ones came out real aggressive. Smaller school. But, yeah, look at this. The canoe jig. Yeah, what a beauty. Canoe jig, chigger fry from Panfish Plastics. Tough to beat that when the bite is tough. And we'll get a good release on this girl. Oh, whew, that was awesome. Trying to keep my gloves warm. Putting them in my bibs here. Here we go. There we go, another one on that Kender's canoe jig. I said 4 millimeter earlier. I take that back. It's a 3.6 millimeter with a number 12 hook. It's just a little bit smaller, and this is Wonder Bread color. And it is awesome. Here we go. There we go. Another one. What a sow. That is a beauty, hey. Unreal. It's cold out here. I'm getting iced up, but who cares, man? This is awesome. Dude, this is a tank right here. Oh, you see through there?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah. Oh. We're also fishing a little bit deeper. We're between 30 and 40 feet. One of the biggest things with that is when you do hook a fish, you really want to try to reel them up as slow as you can. I might have been a little bit aggressive with that one, but I was reeling slow. Like I said, these might not be ideal conditions for us, but it is ideal for them, for the fish and feeding. They're either going to feed really heavily or they're not going to feed at all in these conditions. You never know how a front is going to affect the fish. Sometimes it turns them on and sometimes it turns them off. Yeah, we started out real aggressive this morning and we were doing freaking exceptional. I mean, right now we're just playing a little bit of catch and release, but how's it look in there?
There's a lot of fish.
A lot of fish still, huh?
Yeah.
I think I might check some of our other holes if I can find them. We got 7 inches of snow since we've been here. We don't know where our holes are. We got, you know, I mean, we're talking couple 300, 400 yards away. We got open water. So, yeah, I don't know. That's one thing too, if you're gonna get out on the ice and it's early ice like this, make sure you go with a partner. Make sure you're ready to be safe. I wore my float suit out from Striker Ice. The Predator suit is a great suit. It's a float suit, so if you go in, you're gonna be buoyant. I always carry my ice picks with me. They're always wrapped around my neck. We also long line the fish shells, and by long line I mean you take a 15-foot rope and have one guy pull that sled. That way the weight of your sled is way behind you, and then you have the other guy checking the ice 50 feet ahead of you. So as we went, we just checked the ice. We have, right where we're at, we have 4.5 inches of really good clean clear ice. This ice I think is going to get ruined awfully quick. We're dealing with a really, I don't know, it's a hell of a storm. They're talking 12 inches overnight. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully we only get 7-8 inches. You know, we're an hour north of home, but hopefully home gets a little bit less, because I don't want to deal with the snow. But just remember to be safe when you're out there on early ice, or anytime on the ice. Be safe, travel with a friend. And if you're going to be out in these winter storm conditions, be out there during the day. You know, leave before it gets dark so you don't get lost. Have your phone on you, keep it charged, have a GPS, and let someone know where you're going to be. Here we go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. He acted like he wanted it. Here we go. Come on. There we go. I got him. That was nice. He came up with it. Ooh, this feels good. Yep. Take your time. Frickin' deep crappies. You want to get them back safely. Oh my God. This thing is stout. Oh man. Look at that. What a beauty. It's just another 11-inch solid fish. I mean, that thing is nice. There we go. Oh, there's more, dude. There's way more. Oh my God, I'm gonna get him up and get back down there. These ones are super aggressive, I think. Oh, they were coming up after this one. That's nuts. Dude, this is a nice fish. Oh, jeez. Look at that. That's a nice fish. There's that canoe jig with that chigger fry. I'm gonna get back down there though. There we go. Oh my God. Yeah, man, there was 2 of them followed that one up as I had it hooked. Little fight. Give me that jig. Give me that chigger fry. Oh yeah, these are aggressive. You know, it's not aggressive. My line hooking everything. Wind, ice, everything's wet, everything gets frozen. Oh yeah, these reels, they don't freeze up, my bad. All right, here we go. I already got one coming. See that one on top coming through? Mm-hmm. Here he comes. There we go. And I kill it. There he is. You see that? Just that's so God. Oh my God, that's awesome. I don't think he's huge though. I think some of these fight like little fish and they come up and they're just Great big 11 and 12 inch fish. Oh yeah, that's another nice fish. Look at that. What a beauty. Another nice fish, man. I'll tell you.